Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube and today I am going to show you a quick tutorial for transferring Google Chrome browser data to Microsoft Edge browser. So in this guide you will see what type of data can be transferred from Chrome browser to Microsoft Edge browser. So let's jump right into our tutorial. Open Microsoft Edge browser and press the three-dot button in the top right corner and jump into Settings. Then click Import Browser Data. Here you can see the list of browsers that installed in your computer. Let's press Import. In this list, you can see types of data that can be imported from Google Chrome browser. You can select whatever data that you require and then just press Import. And this process will import the required data from Google Chrome browser to your Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I will catch you in the next one.